But hold on, y'all. Hold on.
I'll see. Oh.
Okay, what's up, cousins? I hope y'all are doing well. As you can see, only part of my face is done right now. Just my eyes. I wanted to take a break. I've been having to take makeup breaks. I ain't lying. I get over it real quick sometimes. So I said, well, while I got over it, I'm gonna go ahead and just tell you what we're working on today, okay? All right? So I'm gonna give y'all the details. Me and my finger coils, y'all. But we're not here to talk about that, ladies and gents. We're gonna stay on the program. Because I know how y'all be when folk veer off the program. Y'all ready to get to the house and eat, and folk veering off the program. So I'm not gonna do that. And I'm gonna give you the details of what we're working on today, right after I show love to my subscriber of the day. Bam! Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family and join the fun, okay? I ain't forgot. I just don't be saying it all the time, but I still want you to subscribe because that's what we doing this for. Today's slay has been brought to you by Wiggins. I have worn a lot of Wiggins hair. So let me just show you. Bam, here's the package sauce. Wiggins hair. Once meet, never forget. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see what's off up in here. 3D faux mink. False lashes, the ignorant kind. Those are real good and ignorant. And I also have an elastic in case you want to add this to your units to give you a more snug fit or a glueless fit. If you don't like the glues and the sprays and all that stuff, this gives it a more snug fit, y'all. Wig cap. They give you the edge holder downer. When you have to get those edges down, bam, you need to put this on for about 5 minutes. That's what this is right there. It just melts it right into your forehead, into the domage of it all. A pretty scarf. I like these sort of patterns, y'all. Those are some of my favorite patterns. And they also give you a bag. Whole wrong way. Oh boy, stuff don't be happening right. They also give you a bag to place your wig in once you're finished. Place it in there, boop, put it up. Get you a shoe holder for the back of your door. Depending on how many wigs you got, you might need 7, 8, 9 shoe holders. I don't know. Put your wig in here. Bam. Slide it in one of the compartments. Boop. You're done. Now let's look at this wig. I'm excited because I love closure wigs. Why? Because I don't have to worry about frontal from ear to ear. And I have 5 inches of space going back so that I can have me a nice long part. Not that little ignorant part. The hair density is 250%. This is straight. So for me, I need a little density with my straight wig.
I don't like my straight wigs to look like them see-through perms.
So I got 250% density. With curly hair, the density could be a little bit lower because curly is generally more voluminous. You know what I'm saying? Just naturally, it's more thick like me. You know what I'm talking about. But with straight wig, I got to have me a little volume, honey. I got to be able to have a little ignorant volume. Now my cap size is small. And this is Skin Melt Transparent Lace. We've discussed HD, undetectable lace, you guys. And it's not that it's necessarily undetectable, as in you can't see it. You can see it because it's there, y'all. But it's a good blend to your skin. That's what it means, okay? But it's always 1 or 2 of y'all that come on here talking about, I had to zoom up and squint, but I see it. So what are you saying? Okay, y'all. 3 combs, adjustable strap. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. I can hit that Luther, honey. That's all my mama used to listen to, okay? Now remember, they also provided you with elastic if you want to sew that onto your wig and give it a snug fit. I also like closure wigs because generally you don't need to like do too much melting to it. The volume is lovely. This is good. This 250 volume is good for straight hair. There's no way you're gonna be able to see through it like a bad perm. It's no way. There's no the volume is here. The volume said you can say what you want. I'm not walking out. Nope. Nope. I'm not going to leave you. There's no way I will. Straight up. Okay, y'all. So let me show you the baby hair. They done plucked it a little bit, but it's a little bit plucked, but it's not plucked to the heavens. Nah, it's not like that. So you can go in and take some of the volume off of that hairline if you want to. Take some of that weight off of there. It's cool, but I'm not going to do any additional plucking. I'm going to wear it as is so that you see what it looks like as is. I'm probably just going to do a middle part and rock out, flat iron it, you know, do my thing. Let's see what we can do with this, okay? All right, y'all. Stay tuned for the demo, okay? Okay? All right, y'all. Peace.
I'm just concealing that I'm waiting for a star to fall. Won't you do me a favor? Won't you give me a baby? All this time I'm looking at my telephone, 'cause I'm thinking of your hands and the way you made them dance on me, on me. Make a wish, take your pick, let me out before I slip. Take your pick, take your pick, hit it. Dynamite, you just blew my mind right now, right now, right now. One more night, baby, come and show me how, show me how. Yeah, yeah, you just blew my mind right now. You just blew my mind right now. Oh, no, yeah. Nothing ain't got no purpose. It's like I threw the dice and lost it all. But when I'm around you, I get a bit nervous, like in a plane before it's taking off. Make a wish, take